Hi, welcome back to my channel. The other day I was at Target with my sister and I found this garland and it had little stars on it and it was super cute, and I decided BT21 on this would look freaking adorable. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna paint the stars and the characters of BT21. So yeah, let's get this opened. Upon opening the stars up, I noticed that they didn't have a gloss over them or a primer or anything, so I knew I was going to be able to paint on the stars without having to prime the stars, and that's exactly what I did. But I did sand down the edges because they were kind of rough. To paint the stars, I use a brand called Barrel. It's a very cheap brand of paint, and I get them at Walmart for less than $2. Sometimes I even find them for like 50 cents, 90 something cents. It depends. And because it is cheap paint, it will need a lot of layers, or else you'll have streaky, like see-through paint almost. You can add a little bit of gesso. I know that that thickens up paint a bit, but I didn't have gesso at the time, so I just ended up doing maybe like 2 to 3 coats of paint, and that got me the nice opaque color that I wanted. I also didn't film all of the BT21 characters being drawn and painted because I needed to save up on time. I think there's maybe 2 that I didn't do, so yeah, sorry. here are all the characters finished, and I've already painted the beads in advance to save up on time. So let's get these stringed up and see what it looks like. The string that came with this ended up fraying, and it got really ugly when I pulled it out of the wood. So I tossed it and I went out and I bought a prettier one that looks like rope, so I'm going to use that one instead. Here it is all strung and finished. I have no idea where to hang this, so it's just gonna sit aside for now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!